Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my class. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam, lecturer of mathematics, Can Public School and College, Saidpur. Today, I will discuss internal division of a straight line. Suppose here x o x dash and y o y dash with the x-axis and y-axis respectively. O is the origin, P and Q be 2 points. The coordinates of P, suppose x1 y1, and coordinates of Q x2 y2. R be another point. The coordinates of R xy. Let and Q be 2 points. R xy be another point which divides the straight line PQ in the ratio PR ratio RQ M1 ratio M2, say that is PR by RQ is equal to M1 by M2. It is required to find the coordinates of R. It is required to find the coordinate of R. Let us draw perpendicular to OX from PL, from Q here QM, from R here RN. Here another two perpendicular from Q to RN here QS, and from R to PL here PL. Here QS is equal to MN is equal to, we know, ON minus OM. Here ON, this is equal to X, and OM, this is equal to here X2. RT, this is equal to NL, that is OL minus ON. Here OL, this is equal to here X1, and ON here X. RS, this is equal to Rn minus Sn, that is Rn. Here Sn, this is equal to Qm. We know here Rn, this is equal to Y, and Qm Y2. Pt, this will be PL minus TL. Here PL minus TL is equal to Rn. PL, this is equal to Y1, and Rn, this is equal to Y. Dear learner, here triangle QRS and triangle PRT, these two triangles are similar. Why? Because here perpendicular, this also perpendicular, that is this angle and this angle is 90 degree. Since here QS and RT, these are parallel, suppose this is the intersector, so these two angle are corresponding angle, so these two are equal, that is angle Q and angle R equal. So except R and P, that is this R and P will be equal. So these two triangles are similar. If two triangles are similar, their matching sides are proportional. That is, the opposite angle of S, this will be QR, and opposite angle of T, this will be PR. Angle of R, this is equal to QS, and angle of P here RT. Angle of Q here RS, and angle here R PT. Or we know here QR, here PR by RQ. If we write oppositely this, that is QR by PR, it will be M2 by M1. M2 by M1. Here QS is equal to, we know, X minus X2, and RT, this is equal to X1 minus X, RS, Y minus Y2, and P2, this Y1 minus Y. If we take any two term here, first I am taking M2 by M1 is equal to X minus X2 by X1 minus X2. Then we get here M2 M1 by X minus X2, X1 minus X. By cross multiplication, we get here M1X minus M1X2 is equal to M2X1 minus M2X. Here M1X plus M2X, M2X1 m1 x2, that is x, m1 m2, m2 x1, m1 x2, or x is equal to m2 x1, m1 x2, m2. If we take here first and last, then we get here m2 m1 by y minus y2, y1 minus y by cross multiplication, m1 y, m1 y2, m2 y1 y, or m1 y, m2 y, m2 y1, or if we take common y, m1 plus m2, therefore y is equal to m2 y1, m1 y2. For the coordinates of r, x, y, this will be m2 x1, m1 x2, m1 m2, m2 y1, m1 y2, m1 plus m2. We got a formula. Suppose here I am drawing this. Suppose here P x1 y1 RB point x and Q here, this is x2 y2. Suppose here m1 and this is m2. Okay, the coordinates of x, this will be m2 multi x1, m2 multi x1 plus m1 multi x2, m1 multi x2 divided by m1 plus m2. The coordinates of y, this will be m2 multi y1 plus m1 multi m2 divided by m1 plus m2. Suppose here m and here n, this will be here n x1 plus m x2 divided by m plus n, the coordinates of x, and coordinates of y, this will be n y1 plus m y2 divided by m plus n. So what will be for external division? The external division, suppose here P be the point, the coordinates of P here x1 y1 and Q be another points, the coordinates of this x2 y2, and R divides PQ in the ratio PR. Here PR, suppose M1 and QR, this is M2 Externally, the coordinates of x and y will be firstly the coordinates of x. This will be coordinates of x. This will be m2 multi x1 minus, here will be minus m1 multi x2 divided by m1 minus, here m1 minus m2. The coordinates of y, this will be m2 multi y1 minus m2 multi y1 minus m1 multi y2 m1 minus m2. For external division, here will be plus, here also plus, here minus, here plus, here minus. So we can find the external division with the help of this formula. Now I'll solve one math by using internal division. Find the coordinates of the points find the coordinates of the points of trisection of the straight line, the straight line is joining the points 7, 5 and -2, -1. Here, suppose here P the point, the coordinates of this 7, 5 and Q be another points -2 and -1, the coordinates of it. Here R and S be 2 points. The ratio of PR, the length of PR is equal to RS is equal to QS. That is, here the point R and S is divided, trisected of the straight line PQ. Let P7 and Q here RS be another 2 points on PQ. Where PR is equal to RS is equal to SQ. That is, here PR or pair and RQ, this will be the ratio 1:T, 1:2, or PS SQ, this is equal to T:1. So the coordinates of P will be here PR ratio here 1 and RQ here 2. That is the ratio is 1 and R2 this will be 2. So the coordinates of R 1 multi minus 2, this will be minus 2, plus 2 multi 7, that is 14, 1 plus 2, 1 multi minus 1, here minus 1, 2 multi 5, this will be 10 by 1 plus 2. Therefore, the coordinates of R this will be 12 by 2, this 12 by 3, that is 4. 10 minus 1, here 9 by 3, this will be 3. So the coordinates of R, this will be here 4, 3. Here R is the midpoints of RQ. So we can find the coordinates of S with the help of the coordinates of R and Q. The coordinates of R will be the sum of two FC divided by 2, comma, the sum of two ordinate divided by 2. Or we can find using PS ratio SQ is equal to 2:1. The coordinates of R S is, since here 4, 3, so 4 minus 2 by 2, 3 minus 1 by 2, that is, this will be 1 and 1. This is the required answer. Thanks for watching my class. Stay home.